this video, I'll show you the best settings on your Windows and in Minecraft to get the most FPS if you're on a budget PC. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to Options. In here go to Video Settings. From in here make sure your resolution is just the same as your monitor and with the same hertz. Graphics you want to choose Fast. Render Distance, this one you can play around with. The lower you go, the better FPS you will get, but obviously it will make your game pretty difficult if you can only see two chunks. So just play around with this, but definitely don't have it all the way up above 20 if you cannot handle it. So like I said, keep it lower and you can just play around until you find the one that you like. Over here you want to turn Smooth Lighting off. VSync you can try with on and off, just figure out which one you want. Clouds off. Particles decreased, entity shadows off. Now once you've done all of that, what you can do is you can close down Minecraft real quick, come here and search for Device Manager. In Device Manager you want to find your GPU, right click and update the driver. After that search for Windows and check if you have a Windows update. Just take it if you have one, if you don't then you can move on to the next one. Search for Game Mode. Open up the game mode settings, make sure game mode is on, game bar you need to turn off, and after that you can right click on your desktop and open up NVIDIA Control Panel. Now if you don't have this one, just go to the next one, but for those who have this one you want to head into Manage 3D Settings, scroll down a little bit, find Power Management Mode and choose Prefer Maximum Performance, Texture Filtering Quality, High Performance. And once you've done that, you want to come in here, use my preference emphasizing performance, come down all the way to performance here, and then what you want to do is just head out of this one. Then what you want to do is right click on your desktop, display settings, from in here scroll down and find advanced, make sure your refresh rate is the highest one possible, go back, find graphic settings. Make sure you have hardware accelerated GPU on. After that, what you want to do is open up Task Manager. From in here, you want to look for any programs that are using way too much CPU, memory, or GPU. Now in this case, this one is just my Minecraft, so that's completely fine. But as you can see, my Google Chrome is using way too much memory. So I would end the task here, CapCut as well, end task, my mail, end task, maybe Discord as well. And as you can see, there's so many extra Google Chromes that I don't use that I can simply just end task. You can sort by the CPU and memory up here just by clicking on them. So once you've closed down all of them that you don't need, go to Details, click on the name, click anywhere and press M, find Minecraft.exe and find the one that has the most memory. This one. Right click on it, set priority and choose High. Now after you've done that, you can close it down and search for power. We want to go to our power plan. Go to power options. Make sure we choose high performance. Now after that, simply give your PC a restart. And after that, you should hopefully play a lot better. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.